My name is Francesco Simeti. I like working with found imagery, archives, and also with ceramics. The environment and our relationship with nature has become crucial and central to my work. When I was invited to submit a proposal, the idea was to work with the veterans, which ultimately will be some of the most frequent users of the station, and have them participate in designing of the piece. We did a workshop together. We took pictures, made sketches, collaged those into their own ideas of nature. I was very surprised by the variety of personal experiences, and it was very heartwarming to interact with each one of them.
My name is Brandy Lago. I was in the United States Marine Corps for a little over 10 years. I suffered sexual trauma right after boot camp. I ended up diagnosed with PTSD. When that trauma happened, all of my art and all my creativity got shut down. When I was offered the opportunity to work in the art clinic by the Metro with Francesco, that was a sublime experience. I hadn't sketched really since I was 19 years old.
Brandy, it was really wonderful to see her get unleashed. It almost looks like she found something that really liberated her at some point. And that was the greatest moment.
I think we as veterans need things like the art to help counterbalance what we go through on a day-to-day basis with the mental health and the physical health and everything that we go through.
What surprised me the most was their receptivity about it, and they just went for it. They really let themselves go, and they made some beautiful work. It just confirmed the fact that art is important for people, which was really, really wonderful.
Art is an expression of the soul. It's creativity. I mean, it's just a way of expressing anything you can imagine.
Brandy, Paul, Calvin, Eugenie, Dan, and Joseph. All of the work was incorporated in the ultimate design. The piece is going to be architecturally integrated into the station for the West LA VA Medical Center. It's going to be printed in glass, quite large, 8 feet or 10 feet tall, and wraps around the whole ticketing area, so you'll be surrounded by this very colorful landscape.
I'll never forget Francesco and the Metro for bringing this opportunity into my life, and I'll always have a piece of my heart, always.